In this short tutorial, we will be looking at calculating the bank multiplier. The bank multiplier tells us how many times excess reserves will be multiplied or increase the amount of money in circulation. The first step for calculating the bank multiplier is to write down the formula for calculating the bank multiplier, which is 1 over the required reserve ratio. 2, we'll substitute the reserve ratio into the formula, and then we'll divide 1 by the reserve ratio. A bank receives a deposit of $1,000. The government requires the bank to keep 10% of its money in reserve. What is the bank's multiplier? First step is to write down the formula, which is 1 divided by the reserve ratio. Next, we need to locate the reserve ratio in the problem. In this case, the reserve ratio is 10%. Notice that we substitute 10% into the formula. Notice that we convert the 10% into a decimal fraction. This could be done by typing in the percentage into the calculator, pressing the divide key, typing in 100, and pressing the equals sign. Our next step is to divide 1 by 0.10. This can be done by pressing the 1 key, pressing the divide key, and then typing in 0.110. This gives us a multiplier of 10. The number of times that the available excess reserves will increase the money supply is 10 times, because the bank multiplier is 10.